Now, we have breaking news coming in. The Delhi Jal Board office has been vandalized in the protest that was led by the BJP women's delegation. That is what we are hearing. Angry protesters apparently pelted stones at the Delhi Jal Board office in Chhatarpur. What is also alarming is that the incident appears to have taken place in the presence of the Delhi police, and the glass of the windows of the Delhi Jal Board office was broken in the presence of former Member of Parliament Ramesh Biduri as well. This is the info that we are getting at the moment, the latest, as there are protests ongoing over the water crisis in Delhi. There you can see on your TV screens that there is pell-mell destruction in the office. The windows are certainly shattered, but also inside there appears to be a lot of damage that has been caused, and we are told that this happened in the presence of police personnel. Certainly not something that we want to see. Whatever the crisis, the Delhi water crisis is something that is spiraling politically, certainly, and this is an outcome of that anger.
तो इनको हटाना पड़ेगा, इनको हटाना चाहिए।
दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के ऑफिस में जो तोड़फोड़ हुआ है, शीशा तोड़ा गया है, पब्लिक ने जो किया, क्या कहेंगे?
ये पब्लिक से पूछिए ना, पब्लिक के रोष को, ये जल बोर्ड से पूछिए ना, पब्लिक को यहाँ पर आकर क्यों आना पड़ा। लेकिन मेरी निवेदन है पब्लिक से कि ऐसी हरकत नहीं करनी चाहिए। सरकारी संपत्ति है, इसके नुकसान करने से हमारा ही जनता का नुकसान है। उतना पैसा जो और जल बोर्ड के वेलफेयर में लगना चाहिए वो अब इनकी मेंटेनेंस में लगेगा। तो पब्लिक को भी ये सोचना चाहिए कि लोकतांत्रिक पद्धति में अपना विरोध प्रकट करें, लेकिन सरकारी संपत्तियों को नुकसान न पहुंचाएं। मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा भाजपा के कार्यकर्ताओं को, उन्होंने आगे बढ़ के फटाफट आगे खड़े होकर और वो रोकने का प्रयास किया कि ज्यादा नुकसान न होने दिया। थैंक यू। जनता को
So now that was Ramesh Biduri, and he is trying to do one thing, that is to make clear that the BJP is not behind this vandalism that we've seen. Isha is joining us right now. Isha, who is behind the vandalism, and what is the state of the protest currently? Is it just the public like Ramesh Biduri says?
Right, yes, Ankit. So clarification coming in from the former BJP MP Ramesh Biduri's side that BJP was indeed not behind the vandalism, but clearly in the visuals we can see that vandalism has taken place. But also in protests like these, what happens is that a mob gets together, and sometimes it does so happen that the mob can go out of hand. So it may have been that as well. The Delhi Jal Board has claimed that the Delhi Jal Board has claimed that vandalism has taken place. In fact, we also saw that the glass was also broken, and we saw that a mob full of BJP supporters, people were also there. So clearly the doubt definitely goes towards that side as well. But a clarification coming in from the side of the BJP that they are not behind this. This was an unruly mob, and they have nothing to do with it. But definitely more clarifications need to come in from the BJP side, as they were holding a procession there, and it is for them to answer. Even if they were not behind the violence, it is definitely on them to clarify.
Most certainly, it's not the kind of thing we want to see. Also, you see the destruction is inside the room as well. So it's not just that stones were thrown. There appears to have been destruction caused inside. Isha, I thank you for joining us. Viewers, we are tracking this very closely. It's a hot day, and the BJP says a spontaneous outpouring of anger caused vandalism at the Delhi Jal Board office. We are back with more updates after a short break. Stay with us.